So here's a quick case study from 110 Bay Road in Waverton. And this is building that participated in the North Sydney Futureproofing Apartments program back in 2021. They also have an excellent opportunity for solar, as you can see in the future. But as their first upgrade works in this strata block of 15 units, they upgraded their meterboard to a modern electrical infrastructure with smart meters for all 15 apartments and the common areas. And here you can see the original gas hot water boiler system. There are 2 gas storage tanks that were on the rooftop, and this has been upgraded to a heat pump system. So all 15 apartments get their domestic hot water from an electric heat pump, and you can see there are 4 reclaim energy heat pumps and storage tanks behind them, and an Apricus storage tank. And this one was installed by the Good Earth Group. So a great amount of progress being made at 110 Bay Road, Waverton, and we're looking forward to seeing if they can move forward with solar as the next step.